Sir, as well said by you that you are saying that either talent is there or not there. So just giving the second name to this talent. In our organization, what we have done is a punchline that explore your potential.
Yes.
So we have done, instead of talent, we have said it is potential. So whatever potential they have as a student, they are coming to us, and some potential is there, whether they are doing degree in any of the branches. But whatever potential, along with their academics, we try to explore, and then we develop that potential.
That's wonderful. Very good. Potential and talent are not necessarily two different things.
If we are dealing about the aim or experience, then conflict come. They are proportional to each other. Mainly, here I want to focus that there are two types of the conflict. One is external and one internal. एक तो हमारे अंदर होता है कि we are not stable, we are unstable. As our friend says that yesterday I want to be like Chitkara sir, today like you. That is our internal conflict. Or we don't have that much power to tackle with our aim. And external conflict like our parents' barrier, to some our friends say this. Therefore, to be success in life, first of all, we have to be able to tackle with our internal conflict, then we can see the aim. And here I can again relate that if we can tackle with our problem, then we can see the aim. Therefore, to be success, to see the aim, we should be able to be from inside, to be passionate from inside. This much, sir. Thanks.
That's very good. Good comment. Yes.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I would like to ask a question. Sir, what is the difference between a desire and aspirations?
But desire can be legitimate and also it can be illegitimate. That's the difference. Aspirations, whereas aspiration may not be. Yes.
Sir, when I was in 10th class, I was having a lot of conflict in my mind that what should I pursue in my future. So as I like writing poems and all, then I was one day writing something and I came to know a solution about that, and I write just 2 lines, and they were that whatever you are doing or whatever you want to do, you can't blame anyone that you were not able to do that. अगर आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो अपनी ज़िंदगी में या कुछ करना चाहते हो, इसमें किसी का नहीं है कसूर. जो भी आप सोच रहे हो वो किसी का नहीं है कसूर. मेरी इंस्पिरेशन थी उस टाइम पे, जो मैंने सोचा, जो अब तक सोचती आई हूँ कि मैंने कुछ भी गिव अप नहीं किया, कि मैं उड़ना चाहती हूँ हवाओं में बिन बांधे कोई डोर.
Very good. Keep up that spirit. Yes.
And
Yeah.
as we are talking about conflicts and any challenges that we face, I think that conflicts are most important thing to explore ourselves. As I am student of BSc nursing, earlier my mother used to say that कर पाओगे कर लोगे hospital में काम and all. So the day when I entered the hospital, and I know I'm not perfect till yet, but the care I give to my patient, that satisfaction, that happiness I receive, I think that's beyond anything.
And you started liking it.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
आपने कभी किसी डॉक्टर ने, किसी नर्स ने इंजेक्शन तो लगाया होगा? आपने कभी ये भी एक्सपीरियंस किया कि एक आदमी, एक डॉक्टर या नर्स जो भी कहें, बड़े आराम से आपको इंजेक्शन दे देती, दर्द भी महसूस नहीं होता, और दूसरा कोई मिलता है तो बड़ी जोर, बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द कर देता है? क्या वजह है उसमें? क्योंकि एक जो बिना दर्द किए इंजेक्शन दे रहा है उसके अंदर टैलेंट है एम्पैथी का, और दूसरा जो दे रहा है उसमें एम्पैथी का टैलेंट नहीं है. इतना फर्क, उतने में ही सारा कुछ अंतर आ जाता है. यस, बताइए.
Sir, aspiration changes with the conditions in life. So like middle class child, sir, he has an aspiration to be a millionaire.
That's what I said.
Sir,
Aspirations do keep changing with your age, with your circumstances, with your timing, with a lot of happening around you and many things. But only thing is, आगे चर्चा करेंगे इसकी, एक टाइम में एक एस्पिरेशन रखिए और फिर उसके पीछे भूत की तरह से पड़ जाइए. वो पूरी होंगी, उसके बाद और करिए, उसके बाद और करिए. Sky is the limit. वो किसी शायर ने कहा कि कौन कहता है कि आसमां में छेद नहीं हो सकता, कौन कहता है कि आसमां में छेद नहीं होता, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो।
My students always used to say that मैम बहुत टेंशन हो रहा है, पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है, और आफ्टर एग्ज़ाम दे से मैम आता था बट बहुत टेंशन हो गया था. सो आई ऑलवेज एडवाइज देम दैट बी इन द प्रेजेंट. बट आई हैव सीन, इट्स माई एक्सपीरियंस दैट दे are not able to take it in this consideration as in a practical manner.
To keep the mind into the present is a, I will not say it is an art, but it is a habit. And any habit to form takes some time. Yeah.
So at this stage, earning this much, what do you aspire to? I think most of us be wanting to know, and if you tell us, and I think most of our problems can be sorted out with this if you.
जाने के 20 साल बाद, 50 साल बाद भी आप में से कोई कहे कि भाई मैंने वहाँ चितकारा इंस्टीट्यूशन में वो एक आदमी आया था 30 साल पहले, उसकी सुना था, उसने बात तो अच्छी की, उसकी वजह से मुझे ये करने को मिला या मैंने कुछ सीखने को मिला, that means I will be still alive at that time when you will be talking about me.
अगर आप भी डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा शो में भाग लेना चाहते हैं या कोई सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं तो हमें ईमेल करें. हमारा ईमेल आईडी है dsc@zmedia.slgroup.com. या आप अपने सवाल हमें SMS भी कर सकते हैं. बस टाइप कीजिए DSC स्पेस अपना सवाल और भेज दीजिए 57575 पर.